नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं सतीश आपका स्वागत करता हूं यस यूनी लर्निंग में। आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं 11th स्टैंडर्ड एनसीईआरटी का चैप्टर नंबर 1 फर्स्ट सेट्स, जिनका एक्सरसाइज है 1.1। 1.1 में से आप आज हम देखेंगे द 1 by 1 क्वेश्चंस दैट आर फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक्स। हियर वी आर विथ द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, जिसमें हमें दिया है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स आर सेट्स एंड जस्टिफाई योर आंसर्स। ओके, फॉर दिस हमें तो पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेट फर्स्ट, उसके बाद ही हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं वेदर दिस कलेक्शंस और सेट्स आर और नॉट। नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय सेट? सेट इज नथिंग बट a well defined collection of objects. Okay, it must be contain some objects, it must have some collection, and that collection of object must be well defined. Now by this definition we will say whether these sets collections are set or not. Just come with first example. It has the collection of all the months of year beginning with the letter J. Now you know the collection of months of the year are finite, that are 12 months. Now from them I will just collect the months that are starting from J only. First is January, February will not there, March will not be there, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are your months that are starting with letter J. Means these are having well defined collection, that are nothing but months which are starting from J, letter J. Therefore this is a collection and it is well defined. Therefore I will say first collection is a set. Now next is the collection of 10 most talented writers of the India. Here it has a collection, it is fine, but whether it is well defined. Okay, now collection of 10 most talented writers in India. Okay, now I will collect the 10 persons, those who are talented. Now my definition of talent is not fixed. Okay, it will change on person to person. Someone will say someone has written good poems, that means he is talented. Someone will say someone has written the good vowels, it means he is talented. But this is not the actual proper definition of talented writers. Therefore here it is a collection but it has not well definition. Therefore the second set will not become set. It means it is not set, it was a set. Okay, now we will come at third condition. Here it is the team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Again here it is a collection, since it has 10 best cricketers, means there are 11 elements in this collection. But whether it is a set, it has definition as the 10 best batsmen of the world, best cricket player of the world. Now again it is not well defined. Why it is not well defined? How you can define the best batsman? By its rank or by whatever, which mean you will say that the batsman is best. That's why the definition is not well defined. Therefore I will say it is not a set. Okay, then next is the collection of boys in your class. Yes, this is the set. Why this is so? Since it is a collection first of all, and the definition is the collection of boys, and that are nothing but the set. Okay, means the collection of boys in your class is well defined set. Therefore it will become a set. Now next is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Okay, the collection of natural number that has a well definition. It has 1, 2, 3. You can observe them all here in your one set. Collection of natural numbers less than 100, these are nothing but this, and that has some definition. It has natural numbers. Therefore it will become a set. Is it okay? Now next, a collection of vowels written by the writer Mulshi Premchand. Obviously it is a collection and it is well defined. Its definition is nothing but vowels written by Mulshi Premchand. That are some definite objects. Therefore this will become a set. Okay, this collection has definite meaning or definite definition. It is nothing but the vowels written by Mulshi Premchand. Next, the collection of odd even integers. Now this has elements in it since collection of all even integers are nothing but of the form like this: 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. Again, -2, -4, and so on. This collection is well defined and has some elements. It means it is a set. Again, it has some definition, therefore it has become a set. Now next, the collection of questions in this chapter. Obviously, there in this chapter there are lot many questions. I will collect them in one bunch and I will define them as a collection of questions. Now it has well definition. Its elements has well definition. It has the question. If there is a question in this chapter, that will become the element of this set, and that are well defined set. Therefore, it will become set. Well defined collection, I will say. I will not say set. It must be well defined collection. If it is well defined collection, it becomes a set. Means every collection is not a set. It must have some definition for its element. The collection of all most dangerous animal of the world. Now guess whether this is a well defined definition or not. The collection of dangerousness or the definition dangerousness may be vary from place to place, person to person. Someone will feel that lion is dangerous, or someone will feel in some countries lions are handle freely, they have handle with humans also. Therefore, this has no meaning with the dangerous animal. It means this collection has no proper definition. It means it will become not a set. Okay, this was all about first question. We will see the next question. Now this is your question number 2. Now we will see whether what will be the answer of these questions. Let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 be the set. Okay, this curly bracket indicates this A is a set. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank space. Belongs to means if element, any element 5, whether it is lies in it, that set is given by the belongs to, and the symbol does not belongs to. If that element does not lie in that set, that time we will write does not belongs to. Here 5 is lying between set A, therefore I will write here 5 belongs to A. Okay, this is your answer. Now what about 8? Check whether 8 lies in your A or not. Since 8 does not lie in set A, therefore I will write 8 does not belongs to set A. Similarly, 0 does not belongs to A, since 0 does not lie in this set. Now what about 4? 4 is in my set A. Therefore, I will write here it as belongs to set A. Now what about 2? 2 is there. Therefore, I will write 2 belongs to set A. Again, 10 is not there. Okay, for what? For this, I will write 10 does not belongs to A. This was very simple. You need to check whether this elements actually lies in your set or not. That will be the meaning of belongs to and does not belongs to. Okay, now we will see the next question. Okay, now we are ready with the question number 3. What is it? It is nothing but write the following sets in the roster form. Okay, this is nothing but sets in the roster form. What roster form says? Roster forms includes the sets in which the representation of set as, it is nothing but one of the form of representation of set where elements are separated by commas and actual elements are there in the representation only. Okay, what it means? Now what is roster form says? Roster forms are nothing but where your elements are nothing that are represented there actually, means you will get the elements from that set, not the definitions like this. You will get the actual elements from that set. That elements are separated by commas. Okay, this is nothing but the one representation of the set. Okay, now we will see how this all sets can be represented in the form of roster type. Now first set is nothing but x, such that x is the integer and minus 3 less than x which is less than 7. Means what? The x is lies between minus 3 and 7, which is the integer. Now what are integers that are lying between minus 2 and 7? That are nothing but minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I will not take 7 since x is strictly less than 7. These are all integers that are lying between minus 3 and 7. This is nothing but your roster form for this set A. Okay, now next is set B. B is nothing but x, such that x is a natural number less than 6. Now what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but numbers that are starting from 1 and taking the values as 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on towards infinity. But here we have some restriction on your elements. But x is nothing but your elements that are taking natural numbers less than 6. That I will dictate here. The natural number less than 6 are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are your natural numbers which are less than 6. It is in the form of the roster form. Now next is x, such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Okay, now you need to check all those numbers whose sum of digits is nothing but 8. What are they? 2-digit natural numbers. Now I will start from the digit 1 itself. Since if my 10th place is 0, that will not become a 1 digit. For 10 digit, I will require some positive number here. Now here I can write 0 also. 10 I can take. But the sum of this 1 and 0 will not become 8. Therefore, I will must take 7 here. Why? This is so, since the addition of these two sets is nothing but 8. Now I will go for 2 here. It will take 6 here. Therefore, it will become digit, the sum of this digit will become 8. Therefore, it will consider in that set. Now go for 3, it will consider the 5. Similarly, 4, 4, nothing but 3, 5. Again, you can take it as 2, 6 and 1, 7. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I will take it as 5. If I am taking 5, it must be 3. Then if I am taking 6, it must be 2. If I am taking 7, it must be 1. Now x is 2-digit natural number. Therefore, these are all natural whose sum of digit is 8 that I have dictated here. One number I have missing here. Here I can take 80 also. Why I can take 80? Since sum of these digits is nothing but 8. Okay, these are all the elements that are lying between this set. This is your roster form of your set. Now next is D. In D, x number elements are nothing but having some definition. It as x is a prime number which is divisible by 60. Divisible by 60 means what? What is which is divisor of 60? Sorry, my mistake. It is a divisor of 60 means we have to find all prime factors of your 60. That I will write here. Now 2 is a prime number which divides 60. Again 3 is a prime number which divides 60. Again 5. Okay, then 7 will not be there. Now I cannot go for more than 7. Why? That you can search. Okay, up to 5 there are 2, 3 and 5 prime numbers that are divisible for 60 only. I cannot consider 7 since 7 does not divide your 60. I will not go beyond 7. That are the only prime numbers that are divisors of 60s. Okay. Now this is your roster form. Next, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. What is meant by set? Set is the collection of well-defined objects where you will not have the repetition of your elements. Therefore, I will consider all letters from this. Since these are nothing but T, R, I, G, okay, O will be there. Now N is there. Whether I can repeat O here? I have no permission to repeat the number. Therefore, I will consider only once that letter. Okay, N is there. Now After I will not consider O, M is there, then E is there, T is repeating, therefore I will not consider T again. R is repeating, therefore I will not consider R again. Here it is Y also. Means this is nothing but roster form of the letters of trigonometry. Okay. Now the last but not the least set F. F I will write in the form of roster form as the set of letters in the word better, that are nothing but B, E, T and R. Why I am not considering T and E repeatedly, that you have to find out. Okay, these are all roster forms of your sets. Now next is question number 4, in which we will see the set in the form of set builder form. Okay, in set builder form you will have the representation of your set some x in the form of the set element x. Here you will not get actual element of the set directly in your set. You will get some definitions for x. Okay, you will get some definition for x, or you will get some formula for x, or you will get some equation for x, or you may get some property of x for the defining elements of your set A. Okay, these are nothing but representation in roster set builder form. Means set builder form you will have some properties of your elements, means your elements will not directly dictated here. You will write some properties for these elements that will give you the set builder form. For example, now suppose we start first example number 1, which contains 3, 6, 9 and 12. Now clearly you can see here all the elements are nothing but multiple of 3. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 4 the 12, but that are stopping at 12. It are not taking 15. Therefore I will consider all elements x, okay, which is equals to x such that x equals to 3k, multiple of 3. Therefore I will write it as multiple of 3k, where your k will belongs to natural number and k is strictly less than 5. Okay, that will be your whole set. It means x will set all those elements that are multiple of 3, where multiple of 3 are nothing but 3, 6, 9, 12. Now I will stop at 12. Why? Now my k has restriction. It is strictly less than 5. It means it can go up to 4 only. It means these are k are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 that are giving you that elements. Okay, this is your set builder form. Here you will not get the elements directly. Okay, now next, what you can do here, what is mean by set builder form? Here you need to define that elements in terms of definitions or in sort of some its formula. Now here it is nothing but 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Can you observe this number? These numbers are nothing but 2 square equals to 4. It is nothing but 2 raised to 3 equals to 8. 2 raised to 4 equals to 30. 2 raised to 2 is 4. And 2 raised to 3 is 8. Again 2 raised to 4 is 16. Okay. And now 32 is also there. Therefore I will consider 2 raised to 5. It as 32. Means what? You will take 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 and so on. Here your base is constant and you are changing with your powers. That's why we will write here it as these are nothing but all elements are x such that x must be equals to, here 2 is fixed, therefore I will write 2 here, and my powers are changing, therefore I will write powers as n, where I need to give some definition for this n, that n belongs to natural number. Why? Since n is starting from 1 and going up to 5. Therefore, I need to restrict that n up to 5 only. Okay. This is your definition for this kinds of set. Here you can put the values of n in 2 raised to n. That will give you the different kinds of xx to you. Okay. This was all about second. Now in third, what you can do? You need to give some definition for your elements. Now observe here. Here all 5 elements, or these are only 4 elements that are nothing but 5, 25. What 25 is? 25 is again a 5 square, that you know. Now 125. Again multiply 25 by 5, that will give you 125, it will become 5 cube. Similarly just multiply 125 by 5, that will give you 625, which is nothing but 5 raised to 4. It means these elements are nothing but 5, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 4 respectively, that I can write in the form of, here suppose y such that y is equal to 2 raised to k. Okay, sorry, I will not write 2 again. Here base is 5, therefore I will write my base as 5 and my powers are changing, that powers are nothing but 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are my powers, that is your set number 3. Now next just go for the set 4. For this what I will do, I will consider all the elements here are nothing but z, such that, now what z is, z are nothing but multiple of 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. These are nothing but all positive or all non-zero positive even numbers, that I can write it as z equals to 2k, where k belongs to natural number, that will give you whole this set. Okay, it means, and now I will not restrict my k. Why this is so? I have not restricted k here. Why? Since my set is not finite, it is not stopping anywhere, it is going towards infinity, therefore my set will go towards infinity. Okay, this is your set builder form of the fourth problem. Now go for question number 5. Okay, 1, 4, 9, 10, 400. You need to give some formula for this type of elements. Now observe carefully here what is happening here. Now 1 is there, it's okay, 4 is there, 9 is there. I am getting some confusion here. Okay, here. Now 1 square is this, 2 square is this, 3 square is this. Now here 10 square is this. Okay, this is making some problem here. 4 square is not there, 5 square is not there, therefore I cannot write it as square of natural numbers. Now I will give some different meaning for these numbers. Here it was 1, okay, then it was 4. Now the difference between these two numbers is 3, and difference between these two numbers is nothing but again 5. Now difference between two numbers is nothing but 91. What you can do here? Here you can do one thing, 1 plus 2 गणलं लगायचं, हे 400 उगाच लिहिलं होतं मी, 400 नाही येते, and so on. आन्सर काय माहिती घ्यायचं, असं कसं सेट दिलंय, 149 डॉट 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 100 आहे रे ते. Okay, now the question number 5. What is here? There are nothing but 1, 4, 9 up to 100. What are these numbers? These are not your general natural numbers, since you are not considering 2 and 3 there. What are these numbers? This 1 is nothing but 1 square itself. Here 4 is nothing but 2 square. What is 3 square? 3 square is nothing but 9. Therefore 4 square, 5 square, and up to I will go for 10 square only. Therefore this set has nothing but it is nothing but squares of natural number up to 10. Therefore I will consider this set as t, such that my t equals to n square. Is it okay? Now what these n's are nothing but, n will belongs to n and n will strictly less than 11. Okay, this is your set number 5. What it consists? These are nothing but squares of some number. That numbers are nothing but natural number will go up to 10 only. Therefore this was all about your roster form. Here you will give some definition to that elements, or you will give some formula. Here I have given some formulas, okay, and somewhere I have written some definitions in terms of natural numbers. Okay, that means you will not write actual numbers here, you will give some definition to plot all these numbers. Okay, fine. Now we will go to the next question. Now let's start with the question number 5. What it is? It is nothing but list all the elements of the following sets. It means they have given it as they are nothing but sets. We need to just list the element of these sets. Okay, we will start with the question number first. It has a such that x is a odd natural number. Okay, we will list all the elements of this as odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers are nothing but 1 is odd, 3 is odd, again 5 is odd, and so on. These are your odd natural numbers. We'll start from 1 and it will take positive integers. Okay, these are your odd natural numbers. Now it has no bound, therefore I will return it as and so on. It means it will go up to infinity. That are nothing but infinite elements. Next, b is nothing but all x is integers such that are lying between -1/2 and 9/2. First of all, that are integers. Therefore I will start the integer which is greater than -1/2, which is nothing but 0. Number which is greater than -1/2 but it must be integer is 0. Then next is 1 and 2, 3. Now here it is 4.5. There I feel I can take 4 also. Now since 4 is strictly less than 9/2. Okay, these was your all elements that are lying between -1/2 and 9/2. Okay, these are your elements. Now we will see what are elements in set C. I will write here set C it as integers such that integers are less equal to x square is less than equal to 4. Now check whether the conditions for integer that are greater less than equal to its square is less than equal to 4. Now whether what happens with 0? 0 square is 0, therefore it will be strictly less than equal to 4. Now go for -1. What is square of -1? Here it is integer, therefore -1 square is 1, which will be strictly less equal to 4. 1 square is 1, which is less equal to 4. -2 square is 4, therefore it will equal to 4. That will be considered here. 2 is also there. Now we will stop here. Why? Now next integer is -3. Its square is 9, but 9 is strictly greater than 4. That's why I have not considered the 3 and other elements that will have a square greater or equal to 4. Now next, D. What will happen with D? D is nothing but a letter in word LOYAL, loyal. What this set consists? Now we know we will consider all letters from this word, but once we will not repeat the letters that are nothing but LOYA. I will not take L again. Why? Since it will become a repetition. Therefore, I will not consider L again. This was all about your set D. Now next is E. Read it carefully. It is nothing but X such that X is a month of a year not having 31st days. Now you must have calculated your days by using some different tricks. Okay. Now we start with the month January. Whether January has number of days 31. Yes, it has number of days. It has 31. X is the month of year not having 31. Therefore, I will does not consider January since it has days 31. Therefore, I can consider February. Why this? It has 21, 28 or 29 days. Now March has 31. Okay, January, February, March. Now March, April. April has 30 days. April. May has 30. April, January, February, March has 28 days. March has 31 days. Now April has 30 days. May has 31 days. June and July has 31 days. June, July, August will have 31 days. August, September will be there. October will not be there. November will be there. Means these are your five months that are having your days that are not equal to 31. Okay, that will consider in set E. Now next is F. Okay, what happened with X? X is nothing but a constant in the consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. मतलब K के पीछे जितने भी consonants आएंगे that we will list in our set here. What are consonants? That are nothing but other than your vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are your vowels, and I will exclude this, and I will consider all alphabetic letters up to K. Now I cannot take A, therefore I will consider B. What about C, E, D? I will not take E. F, G, H, I cannot take I, and J. Now I will stop at J since I need to go up to K. These are your alphabets that are not vowels, these are consonants. Okay, this was all the elements of these sets. Now the last question it has, question number 6 is remaining, that you can do by your own. And if you are having any problem related to question number 6 or up to this, you can write us in our comment section, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel SUE Learning.